Hello beautiful people, and welcome back to another video by your girl here, Big Bubbly Beauty. So I've been doing a lot of K-pop music video reactions recently, but I also love doing these thrift hauls, fashion hauls, outfit of the week type videos, and subscription box stuff. I just really love all the fashion related things, as well as just kind of sharing with you what I get in the mail. And so this is one of them. This here is the Simply Beautiful box. Because I did subscribe to it late, this isn't the typical seasonal box, this is the editor's box. And so, like FabFitFun box, you get this magazine in with it, I think describing all the products that are inside the box. And so the Simply Beautiful box is similar to the FabFitFun box, but it's more catered towards beauty, lifestyle, and kind of health promotion type products. What's inside the box? So the very first thing I'm picking up is what looks like a luggage bag tag. And that is definitely what this is. And it says Lark and Ives luggage tag. Estimated retail price of $24. And it's made from vegan leather. And it's supposed to be in this neutral shade so that it matches any color of luggage or any type of luggage that you would have. Always can use more luggage bag tags considering I tend to lose them and they rip pretty easily. So excited. Okay, I think I'm swimming in facial mists at this point, but this is a Revitalized Botanical face mist with rose, aloe, and watermelon. Interesting. So this is more of like a morning to wake you up kind of facial mist, whereas the other one that I got from my Cause box, I tend to use before I go to bed because I find it calms me, and it also has some witch hazel, which is supposed to help with acne. This here, it says close eyes and mist a few pumps into the air, walking into the mist. So it's a little bit different than the other ones. It's more of like a overall hydrating and energizing spray rather than a true face mist. And this is from Huna Apothecary, and it's estimated retail price of $56. Wow. So it says it does double duty as both a hydrating mist and a toner. Plus it can even set mineral and natural cosmetics. Interesting. So that's pretty cool. And I like that it comes in this glass bottle. That's really nice. A lot of them come in plastic, whereas this is definitely glass. Everybody knows I love puns. This is called Sensuals. Natural and organic skincare, organic Moroccan argan oil. Again, coming in a little glass bottle with an eyedropper. It says it's 100% natural. Argan oil is an oil rich in antioxidants and omega-6 fatty acid that regulates pH balance of the skin and hair, creates shine and tones frizzy hair, softens and moisturizes skin. So I guess you can use this on your hair and your face. Yeah, it says face, hair, and body. And so this was an estimated retail price of $29.50. And that's essentially what it says, is that it's a multi-purpose product that helps minimize the look of wrinkles, helps prevent split ends, and keeps nails strong and healthy. Okay, and it says that their argan oils from fair trade cooperatives, which help provide women with fair salaries, safe working conditions, and education. I love being behind brands with ethical and sustainable practices, so yes. My puppy is investigating. This little bag here says Blush and Peony. It's a polka dot scrunchie. Oh my god. You might not see it on camera because I try to put my hair down for whenever I film as much as possible, but I am in love with scrunchies. I wear my hair up a lot in little buns or cute little high ponytails, and I love putting a little scrunchie in. It just adds a nice little pop of color in the hair and just makes it look a little bit, I don't know, like you tried a little bit harder than just sticking it up in a ponytail and not doing anything else with it. And I adore polka dots. Oh my god. I know, I'm freaking out over a scrunchie, but it's just so nice. And so this is the polka dotted scrunchie, obviously. It's basically saying that scrunchies have come back in favor. Thank you. They're saying that this one's soft and thick, making it gentle on your hair. And that's pretty much all they have with it there. So I'm just gonna stick this on here and just wear that the rest of the video. I'm sorry, puppy, there's no room for you. This says Lovely Linens, tea towel, and 100% cotton. Machine wash warm, normal cycle. Do not bleach, tumble dry on normal cycle as well. Oh, it's just this very pretty, bright, and spring-like tea towel. I quite like the pattern on this. These colors are right up my alley. It's nice and bright and vibrant and just happy looking. And they say that this is from Lovely Linens. It's designed in Vancouver. Awesome. And then it's an estimated retail price of $15. This is really cute. I like this. And what is a box for women without something that is chocolate? So this here is the Brockman's Crunchy Bites in our premium white chocolate. It says cranberries and roasted almonds. This is a little unfortunate because I hate white chocolate. I might start some controversy in the comments, but to me, honestly, white chocolate really isn't chocolate because chocolate to me has to contain cocoa, and this does not. This is basically sugar and milk. But they're an estimated retail price of $5. They're kosher, gluten-free, and made with no artificial colors or flavors, which is really good. I don't like white chocolate. So I'm going to try it just to see if there's any difference between this and other white chocolate that I would have tried. But these might be going to my fiance because he likes white chocolate. I'm sad because it looks like there was a dark chocolate version. That's what subscription boxes are, right though? You kind of roll the dice and you get what you get. So next are these True Earth Eco Strips. And they say laundry detergent? What? How does that work? It says ultra concentrated, 1 strip equals 1 load. They're biodegradable and hypoallergenic, and they do 32 loads in this. Phosphate free. So what you do is you detach a strip, you place the strip inside the washer. If it's a top load, and if it's front load, you place it in the detergent dispenser. You add clothes and you start the washer. Interesting. That's a really neat idea. Instead of these little plastic covered packets that will dissolve in the wash, they're just these little strips. That's really cool. That is really, really cool. And these are an estimated retail price of $10. And apparently you can get a subscription service for these things so that you get them delivered directly to your door. Wonder what they smell like. Okay, they're not completely scent-free, but they don't smell too bad. They smell a little bit like baby powder, but also just cleaner, but not too terrible. It's a very gentle scent. It definitely reminds me a little bit of baby products, though. The last thing in this case is from Evanlina Beauty. Apparently it's a makeup brush set. But for me, the real key here is that I love this case that it comes in. And so on the back it says, "You are already beautiful," which I love. And just the pattern on this is just so nice. You interested in it too, Blue Bear? So let's see inside. Ooh, these look nice. Oh, and they're nice and dense. These feel really good. I mean, my makeup brushes were getting a little bit old. I don't wear makeup that often, and I don't know if you guys have noticed or not, but for these videos, I actually don't wear any makeup at all. It was part of my promise to myself for starting this channel was that I would try to showcase that everyone is beautiful in their own way, and so for me, wearing makeup almost seemed like that I was not thinking myself to be beautiful. If I wear makeup, I want it to be a choice, not a necessity. I've been growing to accept my own skin and my own beauty and how my face is naturally. And so I figured if I started off on camera wearing no makeup and no one mentioned anything, then I gotta be okay. And so these brushes are designed in Canada, which is nice, by a team at Evanlina Beauty. It contains a foundation brush, a crease brush, eyeshadow brush, liner brush, and blush brush. Blah, 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 blah. Say that 5 times fast. And so it says it's Merlot colored handles, which I did have, with gold accents. It doesn't say what the brush bristles are made out of, but as I said, they are quite soft. And they say this set retails for $56. What? I mean, the pouch is really nice, but $56 for a set of makeup brushes? Is that insane? Or am I insane? Like, am I just out of the game? It just seems like a lot. Ay, ay, ay. But they're so soft. They really are. They're just so soft. Smell a little bit like glue, though. So, that is everything that is in my Simply Beautiful box. It is a Canadian company, so some people might not know of it right now. But I do like everything that was in that box. It was really great. I can't remember how much it cost, so I will leave the cost of the box in the description box below. But I'm excited to try all this out, and a lot of this stuff is fairly practical. Like, it's not all just beauty products, which I really appreciate. And the stuff that they included seemed to be really nice quality, stuff that seemed to be sustainable or ethical or Canadian made. And so this is a box I can get behind, and I don't mind giving them more of my money. Not that I should be spending any more, not that I should be like promoting spending, but you know. Anyways, so I hope you all have a wonderful day, beautiful people, and bye bye.